So this is an actual MRI scan, L45, and you can see healthy disc above, and then a fairly blackened disc, so desiccated disc with a large bulge here, and you can see the Cauda Equina travelling down, the thin black lines that you see travelling down, and you can also see here, you see some contortion of the Cauda Equina beneath the disc bulge, and that contortion, twisting, convolution of the Cauda Equina is what you often see when it becomes compressed.
It's worth mentioning to people. I mean, that image on its own is not enough, is it?
No.
No, and it's worth looking at the stuff we've done with Rob Shanks and Darren Chandler on how to read MRIs. That's just one slice through
that's a sagittal slice, which is helpful but not conclusive. You would have to look at an axial slice as well, which shows you the axial image of the canal to see that there's complete occlusion of the canal. Yeah,
I mean, I can remember I've looked at loads of these in the past, and I would have thought that right up there at the top of the lumbars, it looks to me as though the cord's being compressed, but actually it's a tiny bulge, and it probably isn't.
There, and you can see lots of CSF around the spinal cord, so that wouldn't raise any concern at all, but certainly that would give you some kind of cause for concern.
So actually it's useful, you can see the conus there, can't you? You can see the Cauda.
The conus there, which normally terminates around L2, so that's pretty much where you would expect to see it, and then you can see the thin lines of the horse's tail, as it were, travelling down, and each one of them is a spinal nerve.